Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork rinds. First, you'll need fresh pork skin, ideally with a nice layer of fat. Carefully scrape off any remaining meat or hair to ensure a clean product. Then, cut the skin into uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch by 2 inches, which helps them cook evenly. This initial preparation is key for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Next, boil your prepared pork skin pieces in water for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until they are very tender. Once boiled, drain them thoroughly and pat every piece completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for crispiness. Then, spread the dried skin on a baking sheet and dehydrate it in a low oven for several hours, perhaps 3 to 4 hours, until brittle. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat a neutral oil, such as vegetable or peanut oil, to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the dried pork skin pieces into the hot oil in small batches. Avoid overcrowding the pot, as this can lower the oil temperature. Fry them for about 30 to 60 seconds, watching as they quickly puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Once your pork rinds are perfectly puffed and golden, remove them from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a paper, towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. The most important step now is to season them immediately while they are still warm. A simple sprinkle of salt is classic, but feel free to add your favorite spices. Enjoy your homemade, crispy pork rinds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.